how they can treat us. It would have... Is it just you and me in the wreckage of the world? Is it just you and me in the wreckage of... Dogs. I look how I can pour myself and my love into it. Goes, if the grass looks greener on the other side, then it's time to water your own lawn. So anytime I feel like, why don't I have that? Or how come my life doesn't look like this? Then I really try to check myself. I look at my husband, I look at my dogs, I look at my life and see how good I have it. All I should be focusing on is how I can pour myself and my love into those things.